guys, welcome to another video this week, and today we will have this topic, difference of two squares. We will focus more on simplifying. So let's go to number 1. We have x plus 1 quantity minus x minus 1 quantity. So we can use the FOIL method to simplify this. So we will have this process, x minus 1. So x times x, this is x squared minus x plus x minus 1. So first outer, inner, last. So we have x minus x and plus x, so this is cancel. So we are left with x squared minus 1, and this is our answer. And if you notice, our answer is difference of two squares. So x squared, this is a square, and 1 is actually a square because 1 times 1 is 1. So difference of two squares. There's another way, or an easier way to do this. If you would notice that if you have like this x plus 1 and then the next binomial is kind of the same, but only the sign is different. I think the term is conjugate, something like that. What you will need to do to simplify this is really simple. You will just need to square the first term, x squared, and then minus, then square the last term, 1 squared. Simplify it, the answer is x squared minus 1. Because 1 times 1 is 1. So this is the answer, the same answer. So the rule is square the first term, and then next is square the next term or the last term. Let's try number 2. Okay? So let's square the first term, number 2. Y squared minus, then let's square the second term, 2 squared. The answer is y squared minus 4. So this is the answer. Okay? We did not solve the FOIL method, but we already figured out the answer. The answer is y squared minus 4, because if the form here is x plus 2 quantity times y plus 2 quantity y minus 2. So what we did, square the first term, bang, square the next term, second term or the last term, and then always note that it is always minus. So y squared minus 4. Let's do the FOIL method. Y plus 2, then y minus 2. So this would be y squared, y plus 1 and y minus 1. Forgive me. So y plus 1 and y minus 1. We have y squared minus y plus y. Then we have minus. Okay, let's go back. So this is y squared, and this would be y squared, and this would become negative 2y, positive 2y, then 4. Cancel. We are left with y squared minus 4, which is equal to what we have already solved using just this process. So to make things easier, just you do this process as long as you can see this pattern, plus, minus. Okay? Let's have the third one. So we have a plus b quantity minus times a minus b quantity. So square the first term, a squared, minus square the last term, b squared. This is the answer. Number 4. Okay, this one, we will need to square the first term, x squared, then square the last term, y squared. Okay, so that's it. So again, to recap, in solving the difference of two squares, we'll focus on simplifying this. You can use the FOIL method, which is this process. You can arrive at the same answer. But if you want to make things easier and faster, you can use the pattern here that you will just need to square the first term and then use the negative symbol and then square the last term, and that would be your answer. Okay? So yeah, so that's it for now. See you guys in the next video. Be a math hero and goodbye.